Today I'll be showing you a modification that'll completely transform your BMW's interior by converting your center console into a full LCD screen. Yes, you heard me right, but let me explain. The upgrade we're installing converts the factory gear shift indicator, so now when we get in our vehicle and we're shifting through our gears, we can now see the exact drive mode that our transmission is in on this large screen right in the middle. And what that's going to do is allow us to keep our eyes on the road and stay focused on what's important, which is what's ahead of us. And yeah guys, overall it's just a super cool way to digitalize our interior and make it look years newer. So let's go ahead and get on with the install, and I'll show you how to install one of these screens in your BMW. So our factory gear shift indicator is going to look exactly like this panel here. It's extremely bland, extremely outdated, and on top of that, it gets extremely scratched up over time. This panel here actually came out of my E90, and I've been borrowing it on my E92, and it is in absolutely disgusting condition. There's scratches from years of different owners driving the car, leaving their keys on the trim, and just years of wear and tear have absolutely beat up this entire trim piece. But that's not to mention that I just hate the way that the factory gear shift indicator looks. And especially if you have bad eyesight like me and you're looking at your gauges, it's hard to look down and glance at this little tiny LED light to see exactly what gear you're in, especially in the bright sunlight. But yeah guys, overall it just doesn't look good, so let's go ahead and swap it out with our brand new upgraded one. And so BAVMods is the company that makes this product. They actually gave me exclusive access to install one of these in my BMW, and so I'm super excited. Let's go ahead and open this thing up. Ooh, and some good protective paper. That's always a good sign. And already this looks very promising. We have a nice quality control certification right here that we can see inside the bubble wrap. And on the back of the quality control cert, it basically just says that this product's been tested out, meets all standards, won't throw any issues with our vehicle. And then we have some nice additional stickers that come inside the box. That's always a good thing. Sweet guys, and now from here we'll take out the full trim panel. And this is what we're working with. It looks very, very nice right off the bat. The LCD display comes pre-installed in a brand new trim piece. That way you can just easily install the entire unit without taking things apart, bolting things down. It should be a very simple installation. And it looks really good, guys. It has a nice satin black finish to it. It looks worlds better than the factory scratched up one that I have in my BMW right now. And the little digital display that's built into it sits fully flush. There's no gap. There's no poor fitment. It looks like a brand new OEM part. On top of that, this thing comes built in with some factory clips, so it's going to mount into place exactly the same way our factory one did, the same exact fitment. And here we can see E9X, the chassis code, is stamped on to the actual back end of the display. And then right under that, it's going to say BAVMods, the name of the company. So that's good. That means that they actually handle this product themselves. And it looks to be very plug and play. Here's where the connector mounts into place. Then it comes down through this wiring harness that plugs into the other side of the shift knob connector. So it looks to be very plug and play, no coding, no splicing, nothing like that required. It is a very simple installation. So yeah guys, already I'm extremely impressed. We have factory-like clips. It comes with a brand new trim piece. The screen is fully flush into place and everything is plug and play. So overall, you cannot get better for the price that this thing sells for. I'm extremely excited to install it, but let's go ahead and get on with the installation and remove our factory trim panel. And so the first thing we're going to do is remove the shift knob from the vehicle. So we'll go ahead and grab it with two hands and then firmly grip, squeeze inward, and pull up. Just be careful not to actually smack into the rear view mirror. Now with our shift knob removed, we'll simply grab a plastic pry tool and gently wedge it underneath the sides to release those plastic clips out of place. And now once those clips are popped up out of place, we can simply lift up the gear shift trim panel, and underneath it we're going to have two electrical connectors, a white one and a blue one. And so since the blue connector is a bit shorter, there's less room to work with. We're going to go ahead and uninstall that one first. And now once that's released, we'll simply do the same exact thing to the white connector. Simply pull the male part of the connector free from the female portion. Sweet guys, and just like that, our panel is fully removed and we can swap it out for our brand new one. And all we'll need to do is remove our factory leather boot from the trim panel so we can swap it over to the new one. And now this is extremely simple. You'll see these tiny little plastic clips. We're simply going to push them inward so the leather boot pops out of place just like that. Now here's the brand new BAVMods one with the LCD screen built in. We're simply going to transfer over that leather boot coming from the top, and then we'll simply push down the little plastic clips until they all snap into place. Now, as you guys can see, this is the finished product. Now we can actually install this entire piece straight into the center console the same way we removed it. And then very simply slide the shaft of our actual gear shift through the leather boot. And then since our blue connector is the shorter one, let's go ahead and reinstall that one first. Then you want to firmly push it into place until you hear a nice snap or popping sound to let you know that it's fully seated. And just like that, we can now see that BavMods is loaded up on the screen, letting us know that this thing has power and is fully functional. All right, guys, so now we have that connector plugged into here. It routes all the way around and it connects to the actual display, and everything's completely lit up. We can see that the vehicle's showing us that we're in park. And then from here, guys, with everything fully lit up, we're simply going to press down our full entire trim panel into place till all of our retention clips pop in and everything is fully flush. And now we're going to grab our upgraded Alcantara shift knob, link down below for this, right over the top of the Gearshift shaft. And then once it's fully lined up, firmly press it down into place till it fully latches, and you should feel a little pop or thump once the gear shifter's fully locked into position. And now, moment of truth to test things out, we can see that the vehicle's in park here, reverse, neutral, drive, and if we kick it over, it's going into DS, so that driver sport mode. If we kick it back, we'll see the screen change back to drive, neutral, reverse, and park. So everything works exactly how it should. You can see when I shifted straight back into drive, it went straight to D, straight to P again. And so we now have a fully digital LCD panel inside of our center console. And this thing just looks absolutely wicked and insane, especially in a car that's almost 2 decades old. And just to show you how much easier it is to see the gear mode we're in, if I just cover up all the gears except the P, look at how much bigger the LCD panel's P sign is. It's nearly 5 times bigger, so we can see the exact gear we're in with ease. And on top of that, our factory trim piece was just so scratched up, it looked horrible. So I'm extremely excited because this product looks absolutely amazing already. And again, guys, our old trim piece was just so scratched up. The actual LED panel itself was also very scratched. And it's just such a good value that this comes all in one to where you can install the entire piece. It comes with the LCD display and the whole replacement trim piece. And the main concern I had with the factory one, now you can just quickly look down to the side and see exactly what gear you're in without straining your eyes or bending your neck down. And it really is just absolutely insane that the aftermarket for these BMWs is so great. I mean, if you just look at the digital dashboard I have right here on the screen and then pan around to the Apple CarPlay unit and down to our brand new digital gear shift indicator, we've completely digitalized and modernized my BMW E92's interior to look like a new car. And guys, I just cannot get over how amazing it looks to have our brand new trim piece fully installed into place. We've restored and got rid of all the scratches and damage from before while digitalizing it and instantly drawing attention from anybody who gets in our BMW. And especially if you're driving these vehicles very spiritedly, you want to keep your eyes on the road. And now we can quickly glance down, see the exact gear that we're in safely without straining our eyes. So if you want a quick way to instantly modernize your interior while leaping ahead an entire generation in technology, I highly recommend each and every one of you install one of these on your BMWs. There will be a link down below where you can purchase this exact upgrade using my discount code to save some money. But guys, don't go anywhere yet because BavMods actually allowed me to design and voice over the intro commercial to this product. So I'm about to go ahead and play that video for you guys right now because making a commercial for a company is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. So let's go ahead and roll the clip. And don't forget, you can purchase any of the products that I used in this video down below in the description. Introducing the next generation of in-car tech, an upgrade that will redefine your BMW's interior. This is the BavMods Digital Gear Shift Conversion Kit, available now for various BMW models. This all-in-one kit replaces your entire shift knob trim panel and transforms your gear shift indicator into a sleek, full LCD display. Now you can shift gears with precision and instantly see your current drive mode all at a quick glance of the eye. This product is built to keep your eyes where they belong, on the road. So whether you're a die-hard OEM Plus enthusiast or a driver who lives for the track, this is the interior upgrade your BMW didn't know it needed until now. So if you're ready to level up with this next generation piece of tech, read the description below for more details and use code DigitalGearshift for an exclusive discount on this one-of-a-kind mod.